Picture this. It's Tuesday morning. Your toddler just spilled juice on your laptop. The baby's crying. School pickup is in 2 hours. And your bank account? Let's just say it's not keeping up with the grocery prices. Sound familiar? Here's what most people don't realize. While you're managing chaos, there are parents just like you building income streams that work around nap times, school hours, and bedtime routines. Not get-rich-quick schemes, real systems that compound over time. I've spent the last 3 years studying families who've cracked this code. Today, I'm sharing their 8 most effective strategies. These aren't theoretical. They're battle-tested by real parents with real constraints. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap. Plus, I'll give you the exact 30-day plan that helped Sarah, a mom of 3, go from zero to her first $1,000 in passive income. Stay with me. Welcome to Invisible Income, where we turn simple, repeatable systems into real online revenue. No hype, just clear steps and proof. Let's get one thing straight. Nothing is truly passive. That's marketing nonsense. What we're talking about are front-loaded systems. You put in focused work up front, then they generate income with minimal maintenance. Think of it like planting a garden. You prep the soil, plant the seeds, water regularly at first. Then harvest season comes and the plants keep producing with just occasional care. The parents winning at this game understand 3 core principles. First, consistency beats perfection. Sarah didn't wait until she had the perfect design skills. She started with basic templates and improved as she went. Second, they think in systems, not tasks. Instead of creating one printable, they build a content machine that produces printables weekly. Third, they leverage dead time. Those 20 minutes while dinner's in the oven, that's when magic happens. Here's what separates the successful ones from the rest. They pick one lane and master it before moving on. Jack tried blogging, YouTube, printables, and stock photos all at once. Result: burnout and $0. Then he focused solely on family budgeting templates for 6 months. Hit $4,000 in monthly revenue. Focus wins every time. Let's dive into the strategies that work. Number 1. Digital printables for families. This is the gateway drug for parent entrepreneurs. You create once, sell forever. Think morning routine charts, chore trackers, meal planning templates. Parents are desperately searching for these solutions. Lisa started with a simple bedtime routine chart she made for her own kids. Posted it on Etsy for $3. 6 months later, she's got 50 printables generating $1,800 monthly. The secret? She solves real problems she faces every day. Here's how you start. Pick 3 pain points you've solved in your own family. Create simple, clean designs. 1 design per week for 12 weeks. Upload to Etsy and teachers pay teachers. Use keywords parents actually search for. Toddler bedtime routine, not sleep optimization system. Keep it simple. Keep it useful. Strategy 2. Faceless YouTube content. No camera required. Screen recordings, slide presentations, stock footage with your voiceover. Focus on evergreen topics. How to meal prep for picky eaters. Creating a morning routine that actually works. Setting up a family budget in 15 minutes. Emma started making videos about organizing kids' toys. Her channel now pulls in $1,200 monthly through ad revenue alone. The process is straightforward. Pick your expertise area. Script 6 videos. Batch record your voiceovers during school hours. Upload weekly with clear timestamps and chapters. Optimize titles for search. How I Organize Toys becomes Toy Organization System that saves 30 minutes daily. Strategy 3. Simple affiliate content sites. Not complicated blogs with hundreds of posts. Focused micro sites reviewing family gear you actually use. Car seats, lunch boxes, educational toys. Parents spend hours researching these purchases. Your honest reviews save them time. You earn commissions. Mark built a site reviewing toddler gear. 25 posts, updates them quarterly. Earns about 800 monthly recommending products he'd buy anyway. Strategy 4, Notion and Excel family systems. This one's brilliant because you're packaging solutions you already use. That budgeting spreadsheet that saved your financial sanity? Template it. The meal planning system that ended dinner stress? Package it. The chore tracking method that actually works? Sell it. Parents will pay $20 to $50 for proven systems that save them hours of setup time. Rachel turned her family command center into digital gold. Budget tracker, meal planner, activity scheduler, all in one Notion workspace. She recorded a 10-minute walkthrough video, added sample data, wrote simple instructions. Listed it for $35. Now she sells 15 copies monthly with zero ongoing work except occasional updates. Start with one system you've perfected. Clean it up, remove personal data, add clear instructions. Create a quick demo video, listed on Gumroad or Etsy. The beauty here, you're solving problems you've already solved for yourself. Strategy 5, stock photography from daily life. Your phone probably has hundreds of lifestyle shots already. Kids doing crafts, morning coffee, homework time, family dinners. These mundane moments are marketing gold. Businesses need authentic family content constantly. Upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images. Each photo can earn royalties for years. The trick is thinking like a marketer while living your life. That photo of hands mixing pancake batter? Perfect for food blogs. Kids reading together? Educational content goldmine. Jessica uploads 10 photos weekly from her regular activities. Last month, her portfolio earned $400 in passive royalties. Strategy 6, print-on-demand products. Design simple text-based shirts, mugs, tote bags. No inventory, no shipping. You create designs, upload to platforms like Printful or Printify, they handle everything else. Focus on parenting humor, motivational quotes, or family inside jokes that resonate widely. The winning formula? Relatable text plus clean typography. Powered by coffee and chaos. Mom of wild things. Dad jokes loading, please wait. Create one design daily for 30 days. Test what sells, then create variations of winners. Strategy 7, renting underused assets. That spare bedroom, extra parking space, or storage area in your garage. These can generate steady income with minimal effort if you outsource the management. Platforms like Airbnb, Spot Hero, or Neighbor handle payments and basic logistics. The key is choosing long-term arrangements over short-term hassles. Monthly parking rentals beat daily turnover. Extended stay guests mean less cleaning and coordination. Tom rents his driveway to a neighbor who works downtown. $50 monthly, zero maintenance. Sarah offers her finished basement as storage space through Neighbor. $120 monthly, checks on it quarterly. Simple, steady, hands-off income that pays for family date nights. Strategy 8, index fund investing with dividend focus. The most passive option, but requires starting capital and patience. Set up automatic monthly contributions to dividend-focused index funds. Reinvest dividends to compound growth. This works best combined with other strategies for near-term cash flow. Think of this as your foundation while digital products provide quicker returns. Now here's your exact roadmap, the 30-day sprint that changes everything. Days 1 through 10, pick your primary strategy. Don't overthink this. Choose what excites you most or leverages skills you already have. Create your first 5 assets or pieces of content. Set up your selling platform, whether that's Etsy, YouTube, or Gumroad. Days 11 through 20, publish consistently. One new item every other day. Focus on quantity over perfection at this stage. You're learning what resonates with your audience. Track which items get views, clicks, or sales. Start building your email list with a simple opt-in freebie. Days 21 through 30, analyze and optimize. Double down on what's working. If 3 printables sold but 20 didn't, create more like those 3. Bundle your best performers. Write simple email sequences to nurture your growing list. This isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. Here's what to track that actually matters. 3 numbers weekly. First, impressions or views. How many people are seeing your content? Second, conversion rate. What percentage of viewers become buyers or subscribers? Third, average order value. Are people buying one item for $5 or bundles for $25? Track these religiously. Change one variable at a time and measure for 2 weeks before adjusting again. Most people fail because they chase vanity metrics. 1,000 views means nothing if nobody buys. Focus on the money metrics: revenue per visitor, email subscribers per week, repeat purchase rate. These tell you if you're building a business or just creating content. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You're not just a parent trying to make extra money, you're a problem-solving entrepreneur who happens to have kids. Every frustration you solve, every system you create, every routine that works in your house could be valuable to thousands of other families facing the same challenges. The parents succeeding at this aren't superhuman. They're not more talented or less busy than you, they just started. They picked one strategy, committed to 30 days of consistent action, and adjusted based on results. Sarah's first printable was terrible, sold 0 copies. Her 50th printable became her top seller. The difference wasn't talent, it was persistence. Your life as a parent has already taught you project management, creative problem solving, and working under pressure. These are entrepreneurial superpowers. You've negotiated with tiny terrorists, managed competing schedules, and created order from chaos daily. Building income streams is just applying these skills differently. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Your kids will always need something. The house will always need cleaning. There will always be another excuse. But right now, during this video, you have the roadmap. The only question left is which strategy you'll choose and when you'll start. Your future self is counting on the decision you make today. The timer starts now. See you in the next one.